It's already loading na guys. Whoa. Okay. Hello. Dai, can you hear me?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear me.
Can you hear me? Hear me? Can
I
you?
can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Stop it.
Can you hear me?
Get some help.
You can hear me. I hear you. So store sa ta store. So that to flash lights. Ana. Confirm. Nana tayo doon ka flashlights dahil. Sunod.
Right, income.
Then moons. Then ta. Unsa tanga moon? Implementation lang.
Okay.
Landing na tayo. Ayaw pag nga. Pag ngon manimo ang suga.
Let's go.
You off the lights turn. Here we go. Oh,
Holy loot.
what's that? What's
Holy
that?
loot.
Oh,
Okay, do you see that?
see what?
It's a manticore. Or
Samanti
something.
ko eh.
I have mine.
I have mine. Okay, let's
Okay,
go.
let's go. Oh, this is okay. Parkour. Up to the side. We came from the very back exit.
That's the back exit. Gotcha.
Nice.
Oh, I got one.
Hi.
Where are you?
I'm back here. Yo,
What? You.
yo, yo, yo.
You.
Get back here. Yo,
Oh, okay. Andyan ka pala, Hertz.
I'm scared to go. Oh, bottle.
Nice.
What you see?
An insect.
Huh?
No! God, please, no! No! No!
No.
No!
I can smack it. How do you smack that? Oh my god, I need to run, right? Do I run or do I what? What do I do? I said oh, you're dead. Bye-bye.
Why are you running? Why are you?
Where's the exit? Ah! That's that, and I'm going home. I'm not risking. One of us die, then we go home. Okay? Laziest employee bagid.
Kinsa?
Laziest employee ka.
Ow!
Today's
Trying to
left.
find something. Ilang kwarta na?
Assurance. You know the entrance, right?
This one is gonna be hard. Okay,
Let's bring it.
that one up.
Oh, nice one.
Oh, that one. I think there's a spider nearby.
What about that?
So we can't.
Let's bring this. Let's bring this to the ship.
Oh, that's 200! This is 200! This is good! We can take this! We can take...
Those are bees.
Careful.
Those are Bisacals. Ako po. Okay, takbo. You'll get eaten by the Bisacal.
Where's the whooping coke?
We just met our quota. We just made our quota. Wonder how it done.
Man!
Most
Fuck.
profitable. Land ho.
There we go. Alright, get some stuff. Bilang yawi? Yo lang, ibili na ni...
Wala lagi.
Oh. Yay! It's a pro flashlight.
Napaman ko.
It's a pro flashlight.
Ah, okay. Ay, orbit sa ta. Adamants. Adamants?
Okay. Mga mods rapper may akong makitaan. Oh! Atoy!
Okay.
That's
Ito
what
lang
I've been
naman,
hearing.
yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's the land.
Oh, careful, 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 careful. Oh, there's nothing there. Oh, sorry. Open the door. I found one.
Okay,
Let's
let's go.
see.
Oh, shit!
There's a house in here. There's
What
a house.
just... Oh my god, Nay, bantay din, naidop. Oh my god, it's...
Oh! No!
Can she make it? Oh! Oh no. There are dogs. No. Oh my god! What's that? Oh. That's not a dog though. Oh my god, this is so troublesome. Ah, okay, she died.
Why am I the most paranoid?
Oh my god. Do we go?
Dinako.
Dinaka.
Dinako. Nako.
Okay guys, that's it for today. Ito night day. That's it for this night's gameplay. Okay, dance with me. Okay, we just met one quota. We just met one
We
quota.
just met my
And
quota.
that's- we just met the quota. In the second, we just died. Hey. Bye bye.